How to use Hobby Lobby project ideas feature. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to use the Hobby Lobby project feature ideas, you just want to make sure to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to launch open Hobby Lobby. You can explore the dedicated sections for specific hobbies like project, DIY, and a dollhouse and miniatures and seasonal ornaments as well. And you could also go ahead and start selecting the project. Like as you could see there, you have a shop by department, right? So you have home decors, and then you have a craft and hobbies, fabric, and all that. So specifically, you could go ahead and select it. So and each project provides a step-by-step guides and often includes a video tutorial to demonstrate the techniques as well. And this feature lists every item's requirement for a project. You could usually add all the items to your cart simultaneously and ensure you do not forget essential tools like specialized adhesive or markers as well. So this way you are supposed to use Hobby Lobby project ideas feature. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.